Hi students, in the last pre-recorded session we were discussing about the nightingale. Students, in today's class also we shall be discussing with the prose the nightingale. Do you remember the nightingale is a bird, and a very long ago in China, an emperor, that is a king, had built a very grand palace. He had built the palace very beautifully, where many people appreciated the palace and its beauty. And in the forest, it had a very great and a very big garden. Even the emperor himself doesn't know where that would end it. And in the forest, there would live a very beautiful nightingale whose melodious voice and song would calm and soothe the laborers and the fishermen. And when the king had ordered to bring the nightingale, they bought it, and even one of his friends gifted him an artificial nightingale which would sing similar to the nightingale. We had discussed till that one. The birds did sing, but it didn't work well, for the artificial bird sang only one type of song, and the nightingale sang in her own natural way. The artificial bird, the artificial bird would sing only one type of song. But the natural bird would sing melodiously, beautifully, with different rhymes and rhythm. The nightingale then kept quiet, and artificial bird kept getting wound up and sang the same song over again and again till the emperor said. Here, the artificial bird would sing again and again the same type of a song with same melodious. But the natural bird kept quiet. When the emperor asked, जब emperor पूछता है कि artificial bird के अलावा natural bird को भी chance दिया जाए, but where was she? The nightingale, she had quietly flown back to her home in the green forest. She would have flown away, क्योंकि उसको पैलेस में रहना अच्छा नहीं लगता था, and she flown to the forest. वो अपनी जगह यानी अपने घर forest को वापस चली गई. What an ungrateful bird! Exclaimed the people. Anyway, this artificial bird is much prettier and can sing as well. People says when the natural bird had flown, this artificial bird is better than the natural bird because it will not flew away. This bird will also sing beautifully. In this manner, a year passed. How many years passed? 1 year it passed. And soon the emperor and all his people knew the song of artificial bird and loved them. And here, all the palace people, all the people who are living in palace would love this artificial bird song, and they would listen and they would enjoy it. Like that, 1 year it had passed. Only the poor fishermen knew that they were wrong, and no artificial bird would sing as well as the little nightingale. See, when you see a natural thing as well as artificial thing, you can get to know the difference between the natural thing as well as the artificial thing, isn't it? Yes, we get it. When an artificial bird is singing, when a natural bird is singing, there must be a difference, right? But the palace people feel that whatever artificial things is there, it is very good for us. But only the poor people, the one who listens to the natural voice, natural sound of the people, natural sound of the birds, would get to know what natural is, isn't it? So, in the same way, the fishermen thought whatever the palace people are telling, that the artificial bird would sing is the best, is wrong. Indeed, in fact, the natural, no one can beat the natural bird. कोई भी natural bird को beat नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि उसकी वो एक naturality है जो खुदा ने उसको बख्श रखी है. All good things must come to an end, so it was with the artificial bird as well. So how many days it will run? जब कोई आपके पास कोई टॉय रहता है, कोई खिलौना रहता है, अगर आप उसमें एक बैटरी डालेंगे तो कुछ दिनों तक चलेगा, isn't it? वो लाइफ लॉन्ग नहीं रहेगा. So in the same way, even the artificial bird did not survive for the long time. With the whirring of the wheel in the music machine, it is bejeweled by body, the bird suddenly stopped singing. So it stopped singing. One or the other day it has to stop it, right? It had stopped it. It was fixed by a watchmaker, but he said that the machine had worked for too long and now the mechanical bird could sing just once a year. So जो उसको रिपेयर करता है, जो शॉप रिपेयर है, वॉच कीपर और वॉच मेकर, जो वॉचेस बनाते हैं, वो इसको रेडी करता है, किसको? आर्टिफिशियल बर्ड को। बट कहता है कि वो बस साल में एक ही बार गाना गा सकती है, क्योंकि उसकी मशीन चल चल के बहुत ज्यादा खराब हो गई है। द एम्परर वॉज वेरी सैड, ही बिकेम वेरी वेरी सैड। 5 years passed and emperor became very ill. यानी ऐसे ही दिन गुजरता रहता है और एम्परर बहुत ज्यादा बीमार हो जाता है। The people were filled with sorrows because if the king is sad and ill, अगर कोई किंग बीमार है तो वो भी बीमार हो जाएंगे। लोगों को बहुत बुरा लगने लगा। A new emperor was selected as the sick emperor could die at any moment. नए राजा की तलाश कर लेते हैं और नए राजा को सिलेक्ट कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि अब जो पुराना राजा था वो कभी भी मर सकता है, इसलिए वो नया एम्परर ढूंढ लेते हैं। एम्परर इज नथिंग बट राजा, किंग। द एम्परर वॉज कोल्ड एंड पेल एंड ले ऑन हिज बेड। वो बहुत दुखी रहता है और उसके एंड हिज फेस वुड बिकम वेरी वेरी सैड एंड सॉरोफुल, एंड वो बेड पर लेटे रहता है। देयर वाज साइलेंस इन द पैलेस दैट हैड वंस बीन फिल्ड विद सॉन्ग्स ऑफ नाइटिंगेल। अब सारा पैलेस जो है बहुत ही सुनसान है, क्योंकि अभी नाइटिंगेल वहां पर गाना नहीं गाती। द एम्परर लुक्ड एट द आर्टिफिशियल बर्ड एंड सेड, सिंग, प्लीज सिंग, आई हैव गिवन यू अ गोल्डन स्लीपर दैट हैंग्स अराउंड योर नेक। Not a sound came from the bird. Here, जो एम्परर होता है, he says to the artificial bird, "Oh bird, please sing. I have given you a gold slipper that hangs around your neck." गोल्ड की चेन है जो तेरे गले में रहती है, प्लीज मेरे लिए एक बार गाना गा दे। बट आर्टिफिशियल बर्ड वुड नॉट सिंग बिकॉज वो खराब हो गई है। Meanwhile, the nightingale heard about the emperor's illness. She came and sat on a branch of a tree outside the emperor's bedroom window. तो वो जो पुरानी नाइटिंगेल थी, जो नेचुरल नाइटिंगेल, वो कहीं से सुन लेती है कि किंग बहुत ज्यादा बीमार है, और वो देखो जहां पर किंग है, सी यू कैन सी इट हियर, जहां पर किंग है एंड यहाँ पर ट्री है, वो आके यहाँ पर बैठ जाती है। शी वुड सिट हियर, शी सैट देयर on the branch of a tree outside the emperor's bedroom window. जो एम्परर का बेडरूम होता है उसके बगल में एक विंडो है, वहां पर वो बैठ जाती है। She began to sing. She sang of hope and joy, of peace and love, and the paleness disappeared from the cheeks of the emperor. जैसे जैसे वो गाना गाती, the way she would start singing, the illness of the king would vanish or disappear. जैसे जैसे वो गाना गाने लगती है, the emperor की जो बीमारी रहती है वो दूर होने लगती है। Blood flowed rapidly in his poor ill body and his strength returned. उसकी जो ताकत होती है वो वापस आ जाती है। Go on, little nightingale, go on, he said, and the little bird continued to sing. As she sang, the emperor fell into a deep sleep. जैसे जैसे वो गाना गाती रहती है, the way she would start singing, in the same way the king, the emperor would feel very happy and would be very relaxed, and he fell in deep sleep. When he woke up, he was strong and happy, and the warm sunshine touched him as it shone through his window. As soon as he wakes up, he sees that there is sunlight and it would fall on him. You will now stay with me, little bird, said the emperor, and you will sing only when you want. I shall destroy the artificial bird. He says, किंग बोलता है, ओ नाइटिंगेल, जब भी तुम्हें गाना गाना होगा तभी तुम गाओ, मैं ये आर्टिफिशियल बर्ड को डिस्ट्रॉय कर देता हूँ। He would destroy the artificial bird. He would destroy the artificial bird. No, your majesty, said the bird. It sang for you and gave you pleasure. I'll sit outside your window and sing for you, but promise me one thing. He says, मैं आपके साथ नहीं रह सकती, but मैं आपके लिए हमेशा गाना गाऊंगी आपके विंडो के बाहर बैठकर, बट मेरी एक कंडीशन। सो उसने कहता है कि क्या है वो, कुछ भी आपके लिए मैं कर सकता हूँ। प्लीज डोंट टेल एनीवन अबाउट मी, आई शैल सिंग फॉर यू एंड फिल यू विद जॉय, आई शैल फ्लाई अवे टू द फिशरमैन एंड द पुअर हु आर टायर्ड एंड सैड विल सिंग फॉर देम टू मेक देम हैप्पी। ही सेज कि मैं आपके लिए भी गाना गाऊंगी एंड आपको खुश कर दूंगी, आई विल सिंग फॉर यू एंड आई विल मेक यू वेरी वेरी हैप्पी, बट दिस दैट आई एम सिंगिंग फॉर यू, मैं आपके लिए गाना गा रही हूँ, यू विल नॉट रिवील दिस टू एनीबडी, आप किसी के लिए ये बात नहीं बताएंगे, क्योंकि आई शैल फ्लाई अवे एंड आई शैल ऑल्सो सिंग टू द पीपल, टू द पुअर पीपल who comes very very tired from their home, from their work, from their whole day of routine work. I should also have to sing for them, just because it will make them happy too. Let no one know that there is a little bird that tells you everything and sings for your happiness. With this, the bird flies away. He says, the bird says, किसी को ये बात नहीं बताना चलना चाहिए कि मैं आपके लिए गाना गा रही हूँ. The emperor got up and put on his best robes. Robes मतलब कपड़े जो पहनते हैं. वो उठता है क्योंकि वो बहुत ज्यादा बीमार रहने लगा था, लेकिन जैसे वो नाइटिंगेल का गाना सुनता है वो बहुत ज्यादा खुश हो जाता है और बहुत से बेहतरीन कपड़े पहन लेता है. His servants entered his room expecting him to be dead, and there he was as strong as happy as ever. उसके servants आते हैं देखने के लिए, शायद से मर गया होगा, लेकिन they see and the servants will not be expected that he'll be strong and he would be on his feet. But as soon as they see this one, they feel very, very happy. Their eyes were round with astonishment when he said good morning. He says, good morning, servants. So this is a very small story about the nightingale. See, the happiness cannot be found in artificiality. Happiness can only be found in natural things. जितना भी हम unnatural होने की कोशिश करें, हम लोग उससे happy नहीं रह सकते. Only natural things can make us very, very happy. So, if you have any doubt, you can just call me or WhatsApp me. Till that one, stay home, stay blessed. Bye-bye.